Okay, hey guys. So this is another sporadic random upload that I'm just like throwing shit at the wall till it sticks. Today I'm gonna be doing a review of the Corsair K70 MK.2 RGB. I'm using Cherry MX Blues because I like to torture myself when I play video games, like annoy me and everyone around me as much as possible with the click. But it does feel pretty nice, to be honest. Comes with 3 onboard profiles, genuine Cherry MX switches, so very durable. I didn't even know this. It comes with textured keys for your FPS and MOBAs. It comes with obviously RGB everything. Gonna level with you guys. Main reason why I got this keyboard is probably it's just because I already have my other one that is turned off for some reason. Hello, wake up. There we go. This the Corsair Dark Core SE. Main reason why I got the SE and not the regular version is because it just wasn't in stock at Memory Express. That's really the only place I can get, because I mean most of you people probably don't know this. Well, any of you people, none of you watch this. Is because I live in Canada, and that's the only retailer since NCIX that actually provides equipment that's nearby and that is at a fairly decent price. But the one complaint I have with Memory Express, they don't have any Cherry MX Blue. They don't have any Cherry MX Blues. They only have browns, reds, and speeds. I think they had one black, but they don't have any blues. You need a special order, which I thought you just go and ask pretty please, but no, you have to order it yourself. So I just went on Amazon and bought one. Gotta make use of that Prime membership, I guess. Yeah, so the box seems pretty good, but that doesn't really say much. So let's try it out. I'm replacing my old keyboard. It's not mechanical. It's actually a membrane, but it's like this really nice membrane. It's a really nice membrane. That came with when my parents bought their Windows Vista computer. I know, gross. Like 10 years ago, this came with it. This was the only good thing from that, and it's lasted so long, and it looks pretty good. Like this, it feels as good as it sounds. Okay. I'm not selling this. I'm keeping this in case this one breaks or something, but I'm mostly gonna keep it as a reminder because it feels so nice. Although it's a bit wobbly, but what can you do? Okay, let's open this up then. Change camera angles, I guess. Okay, here is the thing. And we have to open it up. Let me just grab my Stat Track switchblade thing. Let's see. Let's open it up here. And open it up. Lay here. And just do this. Okay, comes in plastic at least. Okay, definitely blues. Didn't rip me off. Okay, packaging, it's a bit strong. Like it's good, but like Jesus, did this do some kind of crime? It's in prison right now or something. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a bit difficult to get. Oh yeah, the thing I like about these type of keyboards, they come with 2 connectors. Okay, it's because they're really powerful. Yep. Let's see. Anything else? Yeah, wrist rest, obviously. And the textured grips with the key remover. Okay. Okay. Anything else under here? No, just warranty and stuff. Save that for later. And let's just install this. Okay, come on, come in. There we go. Beautimus. Okay. Okay, this is worse. Plastic. Gross. So if you guys didn't know, last time I went to Memory Express, they said they had a blue one. They gave me it. It was a brown, and it wasn't even the Mark II. It was the Mark I. And the Mark I, its wrist rest is so much nicer than this. To be completely honest, it's like fully rubber. There's no thing here, and it's not like this plastic. It was like a nice rubber. Like this is coated in the top layer of rubber, but you can tell it's plastic. It's not very good. But hey, it's not like I'm gonna be putting my hand on it all day, right? This is a freaking $210 keyboard. Better be freaking good. Okay. Let's just do typing test. Can I max out my microphone? Yes, I can. Nice. Yeah, media keys. Media keys are membrane. Volume control. God damn, the first one was so much nicer. The first one was so much sturdier. Like, this one has some wobble. Hear that? Look right here. It's like, build quality's worse. But, they're blues. I can't complain. I like the blues. Don't like these. I mean, I have a headphone that has built-in volume control, so I don't really need that. Yeah, you got the lighting effects. So let's plug this in. Okay, so this is the keyboard all lit up. I'm pretty sure I installed some software. What the fuck does this default to the highest DPI for some reason? It's using iQ, which, get it, sounds like IQ like smart, which means if you download it, you're smart. But no, in reality, it's Q like a cue ball, which means you're as dumb as a cue ball for freaking buying their stuff. I don't know. Let's configure some of the lighting effects. You know, the lighting effects look kind of bland right now. I just put the shades, turn off the lights. Freaking annoying fan. It's summer, by the way, so it's really warm here. I know, Canada, warm. Final impressions about the Corsair K70 MK.2. This thing is, it could, me personally, I would say to Corsair, if I would talk, no one's watching this video, but if someone was, if one of Corsair somehow watched this, I would say, make another one. Take the volume control of the Mark I, the wrist pad of the Mark I, the overall, like the keycap wobble of the Mark I, because this one's also pretty bad. Kids. And keep all of the nice RGB lighting and the software. It has Lighting Link, which is really nice. And make like a Mark III. That would be pretty cool. Yeah. Also, can you not say that it's aircraft grade, because like, you know, aircrafts are designed to be, you know, so yeah, something else I didn't notice, there is a USB pass-through on the keyboard. And yeah, it's pretty, it's okay. I would reduce the price a little bit. $240, like you can get some pretty good keyboards for that. Hell, this keyboard, which is better than most freaking keyboards. Some mechanical ones as well with like terrible keycap wobble and stuff. Like those ones, you can get really good ones for this price. So I would recommend dropping the price to around 200 because it's 240. Well, Canadian, not US. So yeah, it's overall pretty nice. I would recommend it if it's on sale, or you could buy it used because it's pretty durable. So yeah. Oh, also, the textured grip, it's giving me a blister. So don't use it for 6 hours straight. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all of the stupid YouTuber stuff. You don't have to. It's not going to go anywhere. It doesn't matter. I'm just doing this because I'm bored.